What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. For example, you want to temporarily vanish from the social media known as Instagram and you want to, for example, reactivate it in the future. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you do not need to permanently delete it. You just need to temporarily deactivate it in order to keep your account still safe and actually your information stored on Instagram database and servers. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks related to iPhones, Apple devices, Android devices, and a lot more gadgets. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's video in here, we're already on Instagram application. You need to tap at the top right corner where we do have these 3 bars or lines in here. Tap once on it, and next up you'll be brought to this section where you need to tap on Accounts Center. Next up, once you're here, simply scroll down and tap here on Personal Details. There we go. We do have Personal Details right here. Tap once on it and you'll be brought to this section where you do have your contact info, your birthday, and personal details. Next up, simply tap on Account Ownership and Control, and then you'll be able to see an option which allows you to either deactivate or permanently delete your account. Tap once on it. Now make sure that you select the correct Instagram account, and most importantly, make sure that you select the deactivate account option because you don't want to permanently delete it. In my case, I believe that deactivating the account is more than enough because you'll be having your account secured somewhere, and whenever you want to regain access or restore it, you can simply do it easily. So simply select deactivate account, which is usually already assigned by default, and next up simply tap on continue, and then you'll be able to continue the process. Simply tap on continue in here, and then it's going to ask you to insert your password to ensure that you're the owner of the account and that you have authority to actually deactivate your account, because you might be in a specific situation or scenario where your account has been hacked and somebody who gained access to your phone is trying to do it on your behalf. So that's why Instagram requires you to type in your password once again. Simply type it in real quick, tap on continue, and boom, you're good to go. Your Instagram account has already been deactivated real quick. And this is how easy you can deactivate your IG account. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section down below if you do have any doubt or any question. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.